Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is YAHMAD. So in this set of video tutorials, we will continue looking at JavaScript. And in this particular video, we're going to be looking at using selection within our scripting code. And so we're going to be using if and else. So what is the context of this program? So we're going to be entering how many hours we go to school. And if it's less than a certain value, then we can say you are part-time. If that's not true, then we can say you're a full-time student. Okay, so let's go to the body section of our HTML. And what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to just create a heading 1 tag. And this is going to be empty. It's going to include an identifier called HR for short, which is going to link to the hours. So nothing's going to appear on our website until we've added some script. Okay, so let's just do the script. And we want to enter in between these brackets here. So the first thing that we need to enter or create is a variable. And the contents of this variable will be entered via a prompt. So it's going to be equals. And since we're looking at hours, we're going to be looking at how many hours of work. We have to enter a numerical value, integer value. So we're going to be typing parse int. And this is what we did in the last video. Prompt. Okay. So you got two brackets now. So you got one bracket there, and then we've got two closing brackets. So what do you want the user to enter? So enter the number of hours you attend school. Okay, let me just move that. I'll make it maybe a little bit smaller so you can see what I'm doing. Right, okay. So that's the variable, and that's the prompt. So now what we're going to do is we're going to use an if statement. Okay, and what we're going to check is the hours as a variable in a logical test. So if hours is less than 20, so whatever you've entered here, if that is less than 20, then we're going to do this. Okay, so open up the curly brackets. And the first thing we're going to say is have an alert which will print off some information or will output some information. So you work less than 20 hours. Okay. And if you want, you can create another one. You only work. And what I want to join on here is this variable, the contents of that variable. So it'll say you only, not work, you only attend school for less than 20 hours. You only attend for, then it'll say the hours, and then we want to, as well to say hours. So for example, if you've entered here 9, it'll say you only attended school for less than, I need to fix this, you attendance to school is less than 20 hours. You only attended for, and if you said 9 hours. Let's see if this is working first of all. Okay, so obviously make sure what you want to output beforehand. Let me just go to the browser now. So I want it to be true. So enter number of hours you attend school. Your attendance at school is less than 20 hours. Yeah. You only attended for 9. So that's the variable. And then that's a text string there, hours. But if that's not true, okay, I'll come back to the this ID later. If that's not true, what we can do is an else. So else, and then have the curly brackets open like this. And I'm going to copy this. Okay, your attendance school is more than 20 hours. And I can copy this if you like. you attended for, and whatever hours you've typed in. So let's make it false this time. I'm going to put in something greater than 20. Let's check if this is working. So 25. Your attendance at school is more than 20 hours. You attended for 25 hours. That's fine. Now what we want to do is output something here onto the page. Okay. So we're going to do document. Okay. Get element by ID. Okay. So we want to refer to this ID here. So HR dot inner HTML. Okay. And that's going to be equals to you in speech marks are a part-time student. Okay, and what we want to do is maybe output this in a particular color. Control C, get rid of this. So now we can say style dot color equals red. So if you did enter anything less than 20, this information here will be then placed into this tag here. So it will be displayed on your web page. Okay, let's just copy this out here and put this into here instead. Fix the indentation. If you're not going to be part-time, you're going to be a full-time student. Okay, and change the color to green instead. Okay, so let's save this. Let me zoom out so you can see the whole code. Okay, so either content from here will be displayed in this tag or from here. Let's go ahead and have a quick look to see what we have. Now it doesn't seem to be working. Did I close this bracket here? I don't think I've closed that bracket. Okay, so this one I opened up. I forgot to close it. There you go. Check that again. That's a bit strange. I deleted that. Okay, so enter number of hours you attend school. Let's make it true. I want to be a part-time. So let's type in 17, which is less than 20. And this should appear red. Your attendance school is less than 28 hours. You only attend, yeah, that's fine. You're part-time. Let's refresh this. Let's make it a false. Let's put something more than 20. So 21. Yeah, be more than 20 hours. And you are a full-time student. Yep, I'm happy with that. Part-time, full-time. Right, guys, so this was the first tutorial with JavaScript where we looked at selection. And what was outputted was based on the user input into this variable here. Then we ran it through this if statement here. And if it was true, this part was outputted. And if that was not true, then this part here was outputted instead. Right, guys, join me in the next video. Please drop your comments below, like and share. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next time. Bye-bye. Thank you.